I'm sure you've heard the news. Sachin Tendulkar, the name that resonates with cricket fans around the world, has once again made headlines. Sachin Tendulkar's story is nothing short of a cricket fairy tale. His journey from a young boy with a dream to a global cricket icon is truly inspiring. Let's explore his legendary journey, a journey filled with passion, dedication, and an unyielding spirit. Born on April 24, 1973, in Mumbai, India, Sachin showed a passion for cricket at an early age. His talent was evident even as a child, playing cricket in the narrow lanes of Mumbai. By the age of 16, he made his debut in international cricket, facing off against Pakistan. It was a momentous occasion, marking the beginning of an illustrious career. Imagine that, a teenager representing his country on such a massive stage. The pressure, the expectations. And yet, he handled it all with remarkable composure. In his 24-year career, Sachin set numerous records, but it wasn't just about the numbers. It was about the moments, the memories, and the magic he brought to the game. It was his dedication, his sheer love for the game, and his humble nature that won hearts worldwide. Fans adored him not just for his cricketing prowess, but for the person he was. Remember the 200 asterisk against South Africa in 2010? It was a historic moment, a testament to his skill and determination. He became the first player to score a double century in an ODI, a record that solidified his place in cricketing history. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. The journey was fraught with challenges. Injuries, pressures, and criticisms were part of the journey. There were times when the weight of expectations seemed overwhelming. Yet Sachin's resilience and determination saw him through. He faced every challenge head-on, never letting setbacks define him. He taught us that success isn't just about talent, but also about hard work and perseverance. His journey is a lesson in dedication and grit. Off the field, Sachin is known for his philanthropic efforts. His contributions extend beyond cricket. He's been a role model, inspiring millions with his humility and grace. His charitable work has touched many lives, showcasing his commitment to giving back to society. In 2013, he bid farewell to international cricket, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire. His retirement was an emotional moment for fans around the world. Sachin Tendulkar isn't just a name, he's an emotion, a symbol of unwavering passion and dedication. His story is a testament to what one can achieve with hard work and determination. So the next time you think about legends, remember, it's the journey, the struggles, and the heart that truly define them. Sachin's journey is a perfect example of this. Sachin has shown us all what it means to be a cricketing legend. His story will continue to inspire generations to come. And that, my friends, is the story of Sachin Tendulkar, cricket's living legend. A journey of dreams, dedication, and unparalleled success.